Hello, Namaste, grade 8. You all are welcomed to the new lesson, A Beautiful Garden, Nepal. Let's start the lesson. According to the census of 2011 AD, Nepal is the land where more than 10 religions are followed. And see, this slide also shows the same multi-religious identity of our country. There are some religions which are followed in Nepal, and some of them are Hinduism, Buddhism, Muslim, Kirat, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Judaism. Now look at this slide. In this slide, we are talking about the composition of population in Nepal on the basis of religion. So look at the chart. Here we can see that according to the census of 2011 AD, in Nepal, 81.3% of the Nepalese population is Hindu. 9% are Buddhists, 4.4% are Muslim, 3.1% are Kirat, 1.4% are Christians, and 0.8% are others. Now there can be a question in your mind, what are the religion which comes under others? Some of the religion which comes under other are Sikhism, Judaism, Baha'i, Tao, Shinto, and so on. In Nepal, though the people belong to different religious identity, they respect each other. Even sometimes they take part in each other's celebrations with great pomp and happiness. Religious understanding has strengthened social harmony and peace in Nepal. So Nepal is called a multi-religious country. Now let's move forward. Now let us talk about ethnic diversity in Nepal. Nepal is the common state for 125 different castes, and even the caste is known as ethnic group. So let us talk about it. Here is the pie chart related to the composition of population in Nepal on the basis of caste or ethnic group. Now look at the pie chart. In our country Nepal, 16.6% of the population are Kshetri, 12.2 are Brahmin or Brahman, 7.1% are Magar, 6.6% are Tharu, 5.8% are Tamang, 5% are Newar, 4.8% are Kami, and 41.9% are other different castes in our country. You know that altogether 125 different castes are there in our country according to the census of 2011 AD. Now let us move forward and talk about cultural diversity of Nepal. You know that in Nepal, people who belong to 125 different castes practice more than 10 religions. They have their own culture and traditions. People here practice varieties of songs, music, and dance. There is variation even in costumes, ornaments, foods, rites and rituals. So Nepal is regarded as a multicultural country. Now let's see few slides to see how Nepal is a multicultural country. Now here is a slide related to the Newar community and Gurung community. See the people in their own cultural dresses. Now here are the people who are from Brahmin community and Gurung community. This is Bratamanda. The first slide is related to the Bratamanda of Hindu religion and Brahmin and Kshetri community. And this look at another slide, another picture, and that picture is related to the cultural dress and the ornament of Gurung community. Now see the picture. In this picture, the first picture, it is related to the Sama Chakeva that is celebrated in Tharu community. And another slide or the second photo, it is related to the Jitiya Parva of Mithila region in our country. Now see here, some Shunuar girls, they are smiling in their festival or maybe in some ceremony. And another picture is related to the wedding of Sherpa community. So it means that our country Nepal is a multicultural country. Okay, now let's move forward. Let us talk about lingual diversity in our country. According to the census of 2011 AD or 2068 BS, Nepal is the land of 123 different languages. Now let us look at the pie chart. See here in the pie chart, in our country Nepal, 49% of the total population speaks Nepali as their mother tongue. 12% of the population speak Maithili as their mother tongue. 6% of the population speak Tharu. 8% of the population speak Bhojpuri. 5% of the population speak Tamang. 4% of the population speak Newar. 3% of the population speak Magar language. 2% of the population speak Awadhi as their mother tongue, and 11% are the population of the people who speak different other languages. So, this way we can say that Nepal is a multilingual country. Lingual means language. So, in our country Nepal, 123 different languages are spoken. The Constitution of Nepal has declared all these languages as the national language. Though all the people cannot understand and speak many languages of Nepal, they can communicate with each other in Nepali. Nepali is the official language of our country. Now let us talk about unity in diversity. You know that, like a garden, there are different castes, religions, genders, occupations, etc. are bloomed in the garden of Nepal. How a garden looks beautiful with varieties of flowers, so does Nepal with varieties of castes, religions and cultures. These are the identities of we Nepalese. So all the Nepalese feel proud of it and enjoy living in Nepal, which is known as unity in diversity, or our country can also be called as Nepal, a beautiful garden. Now here are some questions for practice. 1. Nepal is a beautiful garden of varieties of flowers. Justify. 2. Nepal is a multi-religious, multicultural and multilingual country. Explain. Please do these questions. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel for more videos. If you haven't checked out our other videos, it's over here in the screen. Thank you.